Abu Dhabi's IRH investing $1.1 billion in Zambia's copper mines, and Maersk imposes extra charges for Red Sea diversions. You're watching the Daily Brief with Forbes. I'm Ramia Faraj. The UAE's International Resources Holdings will invest $1.1 billion in Zambia's Mopani copper mines in return for 51% ownership. Last month, Zambia picked IRH, a unit of Abu Dhabi's IHC, as the equity partner in Mopani. The mines were coveted by several investors looking for copper assets. Maersk will impose extra charges on container transport from Asia, citing severe operational disruption from Houthi attacks. Its decision to reroute ships away from the Suez Canal requires the longer journey around Africa. A standard 20-foot container traveling from China to northern Europe faces an extra charge of $700. Chinese automaker Geely says its EV sales will likely be impacted by delayed deliveries due to the situation in the Red Sea. China's second largest automaker by sales says the shippers it uses for EV exports to Europe will avoid the Suez Canal, which has the shortest route from Asia to Europe. Tesla has launched a massive battery factory project in Shanghai, its second plant in the Chinese city. The project was announced in April. It's expected to make 10,000 units of Tesla's Megapack batteries each year. It will break ground in Q1 2024 and start production in Q4. Britain's economy shrank slightly in Q3 according to downwardly revised official data, darkening the outlook ahead. GDP contracted 0.1% between July and September, down from an initial estimate of zero growth. Analysts say it may indicate a mild recession. Britain's economy was hit by interest rate hikes and high inflation. The Royal Bank of Canada's takeover of HSBC's Canadian operations has received conditional approval over a year after the $15.5 billion deal was announced. RBC must establish a new banking center in Vancouver, eliminate certain transfer fees between the two banks, and protect the jobs of HSBC Canada's 4,000 employees. In today's Forbes Real-Time Billionaires ranking, our biggest loser is Elon Musk. He's down $5.3 billion, now with net wealth of $255.6 billion. Our second biggest loser today is Larry Ellison, down $2.2 billion. He's left with $136 billion. Third place loser is Jeff Bezos, down $1.7 billion, now with net wealth of $176.1 billion. And Indian economists are calling for reforms to the way credit ratings agencies assign sovereign ratings, saying their present methodologies are biased towards advanced economies. They say rating agencies should share their methodology. They say developing countries suffered 95% of all downgrades, despite having milder economic contractions than advanced economies. I'm Ramia Faraj. This is the Daily Brief. Thanks for watching. Happy holidays.